Hi there everyone, my name is Sarb Johal and welcome to my channel. This video is all about Eyeem, the stock photography website where you sell your photos and the app and the website are supposed to do the hard work for you. Now, I'm just going to be going through what I've done over the last 6 months and tell you exactly how much I've earned over those last 6 months too. If you find this video interesting, please give it a like and maybe even consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any more videos. And drop me a comment and let me know where you sell your stock photography. I'm really keen to find out more. And also, if you've got any experiences on Eyeem too, please let me know. Okay, I was interested in selling my photos on a variety of websites. And the reason I chose Eyeem is because of the AI that they use on the app and also on the web upload system, which actually auto tags a lot of your photos for you. You need to just double check them, but it takes a lot of the hard work out of what would normally be a pretty difficult and time-consuming task. So that's why I chose Eyeem and looked pretty good. So here's what I've done over the last 6 months. I've uploaded 2,600 photographs, which is a fair amount. And it's mainly in the first couple of months that I did that. So December last year and January this year. And of those 2,600 photographs, I got 2,200 of them accepted into the Eyeem market. Now that's pretty good. That's an 85% success rate, which from what I understand, comparing with other people is not bad. But I'm really keen to hear what your success rate was like of getting photos into the Eyeem market. So leave me a comment. So the other thing about Eyeem is that if they think it's a particularly good photo or a marketable photo, then they select it for their partner. And in this case, their partner is Getty Images. And that increases the potential for you to get your work out there in front of eyes that might buy it for licensing, but also Getty pay a significantly higher rate, so that's pretty good too. Of the 2,200 photos that I got into the Eyeem system, they selected 745 for me to get into the Getty Images system, and I've checked, they're there. Now that's a 34% success rate, which again, I understand is not bad, but again, I'd love to hear from you. You know, if you've got photos in the Eyeem market, then how many of you got into the Getty Images system and what proportion of the photos that you've got are in that system? So how much have I made from these photos? Here's the thing. Of all the photos, 2,600 of them in the Eyeem market and 745 in the Getty Images market, I have sold precisely 0 photos. I have made no money, $0 from putting 2,600 photos up on the Eyeem system. Now, I know people say it can take months for you to make any money from stock photography, but it's been 6 months now and I've made nothing. And I know I haven't uploaded anything for 3 months, and they say that, you know, the best way to trigger the algorithm to present your photos in front of other people is to upload regularly. But you know, after 3 to 6 months of trying to do this and I've got nothing, I'm not particularly encouraged to carry on uploading photos into the Eyeem system at all. Now, I'm curious, what's your experience with Eyeem been like, or other stock photography outlets? Let me know in the comments, particularly Eyeem. I'm really puzzled to think maybe I'm doing something completely wrong here. And I've left a link to my Eyeem account so you can have a look at the photos that I've got for sale, and if you want to drop me a comment with yours too, I'd love to have a look too. So that's it from me. I hope you found this video interesting, and I hope to catch you back on my channel at some point in the future too. Cheers all, and go well. Thanks for watching.